Hello. Welcome back to the course. I hope you are still enjoying the course and you want to learn more about Flutter. This is all the basics with Flutter. Okay, so in this one, we will talk about the container widget. Ready? We will change the sized box for what we call the container. Good? The container and the sized box is very similar, but the container have a little bit more arguments, okay? So you see, if we keep it like this, Flutter is telling us sized box for white space. So Flutter tell us it will be better in this case to put the sized box. But if we use the color, okay, the color arguments, do you remember how to use colors? You use the capital letter, you say colors with the S, dot, and you put the color you will want to have. Let's say we use red, and if I save, which when I save it's Control S, it's the same thing as hot reload, boom, you see the color red behind? This is the container. All the red space is the container. And now let's remove the height and save. This is the container. This is how Flutter understand the container. And if we remove the width, you will see this will be, this is still the container. So I will hot reload. I will also restart the app just to be sure. Okay, so you see the container, even though we don't put the width, Flutter understand that the width of the container is all the space. This is because we use the row inside. If we change this for the column, okay, this means Flutter will put the red thing in the vertical this time. Exactly. Okay, so I will put back the row like it was. Now you have learned, I will put back also the width and the height, and now you have learned about the container widget. You can do more with the container. By example, you can put some decoration if you want to have like border, rounded border corner. But this is a little bit more advanced. Right now, I just want to show you the basics with Flutter. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.